Training in isometrics can be sometimes a little tricky to program into your workout. Do you just hold for as long as you possibly can? Do you go for time? How long should rest sets be? How long should the sets be? There's a ton of questions to answer that doesn't always have a neat, tidy, wrap in a bow kind of answer. That's why I'm a really big fan of the 30 by 30 workout when it comes to isometric training. 30 by 30 is real simple. All you need is some sort of a timer or even a clock with like a minute sweep hand, and you just simply hold the isometric position for 30 seconds, and then you rest for 30 seconds. Then you go for 30 and rest for 30 and so on. I recommend using a exercise that is difficult enough that you can get 3 consecutive 30 by 30 rounds for the full 30 seconds. If you can't quite get all 30, then maybe make it a little bit easier technically, or lose a little bit of the resistance, so that way you can get a full 30. And if at the end of that 30 you're feeling like, okay, I got 3 rounds, 30, could probably still keep going another, then make it more difficult to give it a little bit more challenge. I've listed a bunch of my favorite isometric exercises down below in the comment section. Give it a shot, play with it for your workouts or your warm-ups. Let me know if you have any questions down below as well. Till then, be fit, live free.